We're here at the South by Southwest premiere for Chili Finger. You guys, we're going to chat with producers, directors, and stars of this film, so let's get to talking. Quick, silly questions for you. First up, the whole premise of this is that, of course, a finger is found in someone's chili, or allegedly anyway. What's something that you would hope to find in your chili that's kind of random?
Oh, incredible. My first thought was like a diamond.
Oh, yeah, of course.
I'd love to find some beautiful jewelry in my chili.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, a diamond. I love that. And then, what's your favorite way to have chili? Like, what do you put in your chili bowl when you're doing it?
Oh, yeah. Okay, great question. I load it up. It's like, and I have to do cheese first so it melts.
Of course.
Then sour cream, then Fritos, scallions, or red onions.
Ooh,
Some cilantro.
incredible.
Yeah. It's like fully loaded. I love a fully loaded anything. Actually, when we were shooting the movie, we all went out to a steakhouse,
Okay.
and I had a fully loaded baked potato that Bryan Cranston was like, "Are you going to eat that whole thing?" And I was like, "Yeah, babe, I am."
Yeah, mind your business.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I'm not judging you. And in fact, he was also eating a loaded baked potato.
Well, there you go. That's
So,
incredible. Yeah.
I've got my eye on you, Cranston.
What do you hope people take away from this film?
I hope that they have a lot of fun with it, and I hope that it also inspires them to be a little bit more mischievous.
Ooh, I love that. Okay, well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.